For today, I'm just doing a little mini eyebrow tutorial. So I'm going to start off by using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and I'm going to just start by outlining my eyebrow shape.
Que no le haga caso a lo que le diga. Nos vivimos enamorando día a día. Dile que yo soy el que te quiere. Explícale lo que sucedió. Entre tú y yo la llama se encendió. No sé cómo pasó. Me quiere. Que no le haga caso a lo que le diga. Nos vivimos enamorando día a día. Vida mía. Ya no quiero ocultar lo que no te.
Now I'm just going to fill it in and make sure all my hairs are going in the direction that I filled in my eyebrow using the spoolie side of the NYX Micro Brow. This is just like the drugstore version of the ABH Brow Wiz, which I think it works the same. I think it's fine. I do want to try the pomade, however. So now I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer just to clean up the edges and everything, make sure that it is sharp.
Que no le haga caso a lo que le diga. Nos vivimos enamorando día a día. Dile que yo soy el que te quiere. Explícale lo que sucedió.
So after I fill in my eyebrows and brush the hairs with a spoolie, I like to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Clear Mascara for the eyebrow, just so that all the hairs stay in place and in the direction of the actual eyebrow. But when I recorded the video, I didn't have the Wet n Wild one, so I ended up using the Maybelline Brow Drama, which I don't like to use because it's not the shade that I need. It doesn't show up that much on your eyebrow, so that's good. So from your point of view, my right brow is not done and my left is. As you see from my right side, the eyebrow hairs do fall a little bit, so the gel mascara does work. So here are both my eyebrows done. After I fill them in, brush it with a spoolie and put the gel on them, I like to trim off the top just to make it square in the front.
Explícale lo que sucedió. Entre tú y yo la llama se encendió. No sé cómo pasó. Me quiere. Que no le haga caso a lo que le diga. Nos vivimos enamorando día a día.